Welcome to Kaushal World School, Dadri. We are entering in the school. So this is the first camera for entry for safety and security. Now this is the second camera near the guard room. Now you can see the area around it. Now this is the exit camera. This is the gate. This is the gate in and out for the students, where students go and come. Moving forward, this is the camera that shows playground view. You can see here. This is the school campus entry gate camera, and this is the exit gate camera. Now we are moving forward for the reception area. There are 3 cameras in the reception, you can see here, which are capturing lobby area. You can see the view, the lobby area. This is the corridor of the school. Now you can see the camera, the corridor. This is the principal's room. You can see the view of the principal's room. Now we have a strong room where important documents and valuable materials are safely stored. These are the almiras, their chair. You can see the view of strong room. There is a printer. This is the camera of strong room. Now I am showing you the admin office, which is monitored by CCTV cameras. As you can see here, this is the camera for admin office. Moving forward to the corridor of pre-primary wing. This is the pre-nursery class. You can see the students here. And this is the camera for pre-nursery class. This is nursery rows. You can see the students here. And this is the camera for the class. This is the KG rows class. You can see the class. And this is the camera for student major safety. This is the corridor area. We are moving for the junior wing. It's a grade 1 class. You can see the students. This is the camera. You can see there for safety measure for the students. This is also grade 1. There is also a camera. This is grade 2nd. You can see the camera here for the safety measure for the school. This is grade 2nd. You can have the view of the students. This is the camera here. Now we are moving forward. This is the corridor area. This is grade 3rd. This is the camera here, which I already installed. This is also grade 3rd. You can have the view of the class. You can see the camera here also, which are already installed. This is grade 4th. You can have a look of the class. And there is a camera on the gate. This is grade 5th. You can see the class. There is a camera for safety measure of the students. This is grade 5th. See the camera. Now moving forward to the senior wing. Now you can see the camera here. This is grade 6th. You can see the students are studying and the camera is capturing the students studying. This is the camera over here. This is grade 6th. You can see the class. This is the camera which are capturing for this is grade 7th. You can see the students. There is a camera over here which are capturing. This is grade 8th. You can see the camera here. They are already installed. There is a grade 8th. You can see students. There's a camera over here. Moving forward, this is the 8th class. You can see the students here. You can see the camera here, which is capturing the discipline. Moving forward, this is 9th A. Now you can see the students here. You can see the camera here, which are capturing the students' discipline. This is 9th B. You can see here. This is the camera. You can see here. This is 9th C. See the students, and this is the camera here. This is grade 10th A. This is the classroom, and the cameras are already installed. As you can see here, this is grade 10th B, and this is the classroom, and the cameras are already installed. This is 11th science stream. This is the classroom. This is the camera over here. This is 11th commerce. You can see the students. This is the camera over here. This is 11th C humanities. You can see the camera. They are already installed. This is 12th A. This is the classroom. The camera is already installed. This is 12th B commerce. This is the classroom, and the cameras are already installed. This is our computer lab equipped with modern computers, and you can see the camera here, and you have a view of the computer lab. Now this is the corridor area. Now we are moving forward to the bio lab, where students perform experiments. You can see the area, and this is our library. You can see the camera over here, where students enjoy reading books and studying in a peaceful environment monitored with cameras. This is our chemistry lab. You can see the view of chemistry lab. This is the camera over here. This is our composite lab store. This is the camera here, and you can see the. Here is our maths lab, where cameras are installed for secure and smooth monitoring. You can see the camera here. Now this is a physics lab. You can see the area. There is a camera over here. You can see the lab. This is the camera. This is the composite lab. This is the camera over here. You can see the camera.